Hi, so my name's Chelsea. I wanted to give a quick review on Lauren Hardy's virtual wholesaling program. And all I can say is I absolutely loved it. I came into this knowing nothing. And so far, I have got contracts, I've closed contracts. She is so involved with her students. Every question that we have is answered. She even helped me negotiate and talk to my JV partner. And I'm so appreciative of everybody in this community and of all the help that I get. And I can't say enough about it. I love it so much. I'm a mom at home, 3 kids. It's crazy. I'm in Southern California, so we have distance learning going on. And through everything, Lauren helped me be able to get this going and still make it work with everything I have going on at home, which is amazing. So I'm so appreciative, and I just want to say thank you so much. And if you're thinking about taking this program, do it because it's amazing. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.